What you cooking, Roach?
What ya cooking, Ro?
What's up, guys? And welcome to my channel, What You Cooking, Roach. Alright? And for those that are new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate the love. Alright? Thanks for jumping in, okay? So, you already know, I'm getting ready to make some jerk chicken in my new air fryer. And I am so excited because I did a test run last night on it with just a couple of little wings. And boy, I tell you, they turned out good. I ain't going to be talking crazy about nobody's air fryer no more. Okay? So, now, you already know. Let's get started on these ingredients. Alright? Let's go. So, you already know this jerk is not going to cook itself. Okay? So, there we go with the jerk. That's the start. Now, I just got a whole chicken. I cut it up. So we got 8 pieces there. Two breasts, 2 legs, of course, 2 wings, 2 thighs. All right. Now, I'm going to be cheeky because this is going to be nice and simple because the chicken is not going to take forever to cook. I got me some red beans and rice to go with it because we're going to make us a little Jamaican style meal today. Minus the red stripe beer and the rum punch. Oh, I can't wait to go back to Jamaica. I'll be glad when all this is over. This quarantine and all this craziness. Anyway, so I got the beans and rice. Now, I like people who might have seen my other episodes. I use this particular brand of rice from time to time because it's really good and flavorful. It's you got to check it out. They have some other brands, some avocado and lime and Mexican style Spanish and a yellow. I put that in a little sidebar on the side there so you can see those. All right. So enough of that. Now, I'm going to be making this festive. Now, for those who don't know what festive is, it's basically like in America, like a breadstick. But in Jamaica, this is like their breadstick, but it's a doughy, bready, sweet type of roll. And they usually kind of serve it with fish and your jerk too. And, well, I discovered this on a couple of my trips. I've been to Jamaica a few times. I ain't bragging. But they served this, and it was really good. And then when I seen this in the Jamaican aisle, I was like, hey, I can make it myself. So we're going to do that, and it's pretty good, easy to make. It's already pre-made dough. Add some water in there. You're all good. And I'm going to be doing a Callaloo. They also serve Callaloo. For those who may not know, it's their Jamaican spinach, and it just grows wild, And I tried to grow it here, but it's too hard for me. But like I said, it's like a big leafy spinach. So what I do is I buy American spinach here. And I fancy it up, and kind of try to copycat that, okay? And I come pretty close to it, all right? So, and we got our sauces. This is a restaurant in our local area, Uncle Joe's. This jerk sauce is hot as hell. I'm telling you, I don't mess with it. My husband likes this here. And then it's pepper. Pick a pepper sauce. And this is good, too. This is a sauce I discovered when I went to Jamaica, too. And they have a beef and fish sauce. That's good too. It's made by Grace. All right. I couldn't find any today in a little Jamaican. I don't know what's happening. That's popular. It's a good brand. All right. Enough of that, y'all. Come on. Let's get started. I am excited about cooking this into the air fryer. All right. But first, I got to get this rice and stuff together and Callaloo in a pot. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, let's get this dough together, all right? Because with the air fryer, like I said, it don't take long to cook, okay? So, like I said, this is easy. 1/3 to 1/2 water. I'm only using half of the package. And you're just going to nail it in like dough. So we're going to stir it up with a little bit here. Move my old fancy air fryer out the way. Look like a big old spaceship. Alright, I'm gonna mix that in there. I'm gonna add a little more water in there because, like I said, started 1/3 to 1/2, so you don't want to go too crazy. Now, once I get this mixed up, I'm gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes. But if you want a more fluffier dough per instructions, you can let it sit overnight, okay, in the refrigerator. Alright, y'all, see the dough is ready. Alright, I've gone ahead and let it sit for a while. Like I said, you can, if you let it sit longer, you can tell the consistency of the dough too. So it makes it a little more fluffy. Now, I'm gonna let y'all know, I am going to be putting this in my air fryer, okay? Because you can cook cakes and donuts and all kinds of stuff in the air fryer. But normally, I would suggest frying it if you want that good crispiness. But we're gonna see what the air fryer gonna do. So since I'm putting it in the air fryer, cut up some strips. And you're gonna cut those and we're gonna roll them. Alright? We're gonna roll them like breadsticks. Alright? So, alright. Like I said, I did a half of boxes. Ain't no sense of doing a whole bunch. Alright? Now if you wanna know why they call this festival, you can get the box and you can read why the story on why they call it festival. It's something about some fishermen. Alright? But I just like it. I love them. You can also use this dough to make fritters. If y'all know nothing about that, I know I first had a fritter, a conch fritter, which is the meat of a large snail, if you know what I mean. You know those fancy little coral shells, those shells you get when you go to the islands? That's the home that the snail lives in. So it's a big old piece too, boy. We see the fishermen come in, and they had those on their boat, and they be scooping it out of them shells, and then they sell us the shell, you know. And I got one. A little snapshot of that too. All right, but there you go. Now I think I'm gonna cut that in half. I don't like the way that's not sticking. Alright, now let's get these in the air fryer and see what happens. Alright, here's that old fancy air fryer I bought, okay? So buzz it. Look like oh, I can see myself. It's like a mirror. Hey. Oh boy. Like a spaceship. Alright, but it's big old 6 quart. It's the bomb, alright? So, got all the little temperatures. Digital, multifunctional. I can't even say the name. So boy, somebody tell me what that say. Okay, y'all, we're gonna get this started. I didn't waste way too much time. So on here, you want to do the cake because it's fancy. I think I already got it started. So let's get it in there. It's a nice little bin. Now look how big that bin is. You can get a whole lot in there. You can get a whole chicken in this joint. I can't wait to do that. It's gonna be awesome. Move some stuff around, okay? Alright, because like I said, this damn thing is like a rocket ship. Spaceship. I am gonna put these in there like so. I am really curious to see how these are gonna turn out. Straight up. I think I should have shook off some of that flour. Now I got it's non-stick, but from the air fryer recipe book, you know, they say you want to spray non-stick in there, but I don't like the chemical stuff. I'm putting it in there. I bet I can get all these in here. That would be really nice, cooking in one swoop. Because you know what, y'all? I still ain't cooked the chicken yet. Because you know why? Because it's going to take a little bit longer. Because it ain't like it's chicken wings or anything, all right? It's like big pieces of breast, which I'm going to cook first. You dig? All right, here we go, y'all. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's get this party started. This festival ain't going to cook itself, and time it's getting later. Like I said, I got to do this chicken. Alright, see y'all in about 50 minutes. Oh boy, I'm a little nervous. Okay, we see what's going to happen. I'm going to make this real quick and simple and start my chicken because I wasted way too much time on this festival and putting it in this air fryer. What? No, never ever again. Fail. Fry in grease next time. That's alright. And to get that off my chest. Let's get this damn chicken going because I'm hungry. Let's go. Okay, y'all, let's get this chicken started because you know what? I already know how to cook this, okay? So let's get this into this pan here. I'm very disappointed with them. Let me rephrase that because it was my fault. I should have fried them, okay? You know, but I'm trying to try something new. You know, like I said, in that cookbook talking about you can bake some stuff. I'm gonna have to revisit that damn thing to see how they doing that. That did not turn out like the way I thought. Okay, like I said, we're gonna put both these breasts in there. Now, I'm still trying to figure this thing out. I don't know about stacking stuff together, but let's get, I think I can add some thighs in there. I forgot, you know, this thing is 6 quarts. Okay, I think I put that in there like that. Now, I had to experiment off camera by adding all of, because you're supposed to be able to put it all on there, but I don't know. So, this I know is going to cook. So, let's get this in here, and it's going to be about 30 minutes, okay? So, whew, this is long what you cook a roach. All right, let's get it in there. All right, now, this one here, you're going to hit the chicken. No, we're going to cancel because I had that bogus festival in there. All right, so let's go chicken. Okay, y'all, like I said, I'm learning this here. All right, so we're going to have to configure what we want. So we're going to push this button here. And then you just push it, and then it'll take you to where you need, what you want to do. That's fish, and I got chicken. All right, so then we're going to hit the start button, and it's going to do its thing. So 20 minutes, but it's going to probably be, let me show you, it's going to probably be a little bit longer than that. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, y'all seen that, and let it cook. I'm gonna sit down again and give me a little content. I might sprinkle a little olive oil on top of there too. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Okay, y'all, let's see where it's at. Okay, bring that over a little bit. It's been cooking for about 40 minutes. I mean, see now I'm like, you know, air fryer. I could do it in the oven, but not. You know what I'm saying? Because it's taking all the grease, and it gives it. You know, it takes. It's supposed to be a little healthier. Let's just. I'm talking too much. Let's go do this. Let's see. Oh, y'all see that? Oh, that's cooking up real nice. Oh yeah. Hold on, I gotta get it in the camera shot. Oh man, you what? Man, look at that. Y'all see that? All right, I'll do some close-up shots of that. I'm waiting too much time, y'all. I'm hungry. Gotta flip them babies over now. All right. It's been cooking for a minute, and I've been flipping it. It's really nice and juicy too, y'all. I can feel it. It's still nice and tender. Now I don't really like breast and stuff for my jerk. I prefer leg and thighs, because basically that's what they do in Jamaica. Cause them chickens and meat in Jamaica is expensive, y'all have to know the backstory how they feeding us over there, y'all. Oh, I hit the camera, my bad. Okay, let's let that cook for a little bit more, because I want it to be nice and crisp. All right, so I'm gonna add in a couple more minutes to it. Okay, let's get that on. Yeah, see, I think it's gonna need about at least 20 more minutes. All right, we're gonna open up this can of Callaloo. Y'all remember, for those who watch my unboxing on my new appliances, the can opener was one of them, and I had such a hard time. Y'all need to check that unboxing out, because this one gave me the blues, but it's real fancy. It cuts the lid in a nice smooth, not a sharp edge. Check it out. Alright. Unlock it. Then let's see. Look, and bam. Look at that. See how they do the lid? At first when I did it, I thought I wasn't cutting this and I was tripping and I got mad and I was cussing. And then after I turned the camera off and looked at it, it was cut. And I was cussing for no reason. Okay, enough of that. Bye. This is what that Callaloo looks like, y'all. I told y'all how it looks like spinach. Alright, in that can. Alright. That up a little bit. Now the Callaloo, they have this particular, you know, they got like the stems in there. See how they do that? It's chunk, but when I'm in Jamaica, I don't normally see it like that. It's more leafy, you know, but I guess it's just, you know, this is the Lindstead brand. I said that right, Lindstead. I usually get Grace. Grace has a really nice one. It doesn't have that many chunks of stems in it, but it's alright. But both of them good. Okay. So like I said, I'm gonna give it a little seasoning, and I'm gonna put a little pepper in there, a little ground pepper. Now I've gone ahead. Sometimes I've made it. I've cut up. You want to do the real deal. You cut up some carrots. Cut them up really small, chopped up really fine. Man, matter of fact, I could have used my food processor and did that. No, I couldn't because I ain't got no carrots. But, you know, you cut it up with carrots, put it in there, first saute carrots in a little olive oil. and little onion. Just, chop them up as fine as you can, and then add them in here. All right? But I'm not doing all that today, okay? I've done enough, so I've been cleaning and clearing out old clothes and getting ready to give them to Salvation Army and go to Sally's. We're going to give them to Sally's. So I can't fit them no more because I've lost some weight. I'm back. And I'm happy and proud about that. Oh, let me turn down this rice. Oh, Lord Jesus. Turn down a bit, sticking on the bottom. All right, so I'm going to chill, make me a cocktail while this is cooking.
What you got going on up in the kitchen, Roach? You got some collard greens, some black-eyed peas, fried chicken, pasta, some Italian food, some Mexican food, some Jamaican food. You got some barbecue going on.
So good. What you cooking, Roach?
What you cooking, Roach?